Hi everybody, today we're going to look at this Terra Gear AMI portable propane gas barbecue. Let's take a closer look at the box. It is 12,000 BTU. It uses liquid propane gas, but it's not included. And it's supposed to be 63 by centimeters by 40 centimeters by 36 centimeters. For proper use and safety, follow enclosed instructions. Great for picnics, beach, outdoor events. Locking lid and folding legs for easy transport and storage. Cooking area, 510 centimeters that's 234 inches. Porcelain coated steel cooking grate, stainless steel heat shield, push button ignition, built-in thermometer, and what else? 12 burger count, stainless steel burner, 12,000 BTU, stainless steel heat shield. Uses 454 gram 1 pound propane gas cylinder, not included. What else? Liquid propane. Or the same, says from Loblaws. I picked this up at Shoppers Drug Mart Canada. And let's open it up and see what's inside. As you can see, we're actually out here camping, so it's the perfect time to test this. Only we brought a knife. There we go. Alright, let's see what's in the box. So we got a steel grate with some instructions here. We got something or other. Let's open that up and see what's inside. Some stainless steel plates. What's in here? Oh, all the hardware. We gotta really work to put this together. Oh, this comes with a screwdriver. And some more doodads. What's in this one? There's one burner over there. Some plastic table legs. What's in there? Here's the gas. The handle. What's in that box? Some little doodad and some metal doodads, and a handle and another handle, and some more little knickknacks. Okay, bless you. So here's the beautiful cap with the thermometer, and here's the bottom piece. Alright, so let's put that together for you and we'll give it a test. Okay, so here we are. We are, sorry for the rush. I was in a rush to get the pork chops on for dinner, so didn't start from the beginning. Anyways, the pork chops have been on for about 6 minutes at 350 degrees. And this is the result. Looks like a lot of uneven cooking. That's and then I just flipped them. So let's continue cooking for another 6 minutes and see what the result is.